Hey guys, how's it going? Kermode here, back with another video. In this video, I want to take a look at Ableton's new audio effect, Spectral Resonator, but specifically the sidechain MIDI function. This is something that we only saw previously in Ableton's corpus, which allowed us to have the pitch of the audio effect be tracked to MIDI. Well, it exists here now with this new device as well. So I have a pretty simple ARP with a very simple saw sound. Okay, pretty cool. But what if I didn't want to use the actual sound source as much of the sound source? I wanted to use Spectral Resonator. Well, first, let's listen to it. So that's the sort of sound coming out of this device. But check this out. We can do sidechain MIDI, where we take the input from this MIDI device. So now this is tracking to that actual source. So this is really cool because now the tone really is coming from this effect. We can control its decay time here. So does it extend beyond just the original source? You can turn off monophonic here and actually make it polyphonic, which is really cool because if the decay times start to bleed into one another, well, you're kind of getting chords in a way because the notes are combining. Versus the monophonic cutoff. That's nice. You have this stretch function here which stretches and compresses the distance between harmonics. Kind of sounds like a square wave there. It's kind of like a sine wave there. Because probably the harmonics are so close, it is a sine wave. It's kind of nice if you just offset it a little. It's almost like the sound is detuned. You have the different modes here. That's nice. You have unison as well. Wow. That's beautiful. It's just dreamy. And we might not have gotten this sound out of Serum, or you can even combine. Wow. Gorgeous. It's just a really fun device. I really like it. And I think the ability to route MIDI to it is where it's going to be really powerful because it's going to be able to track, layer, and actually work in the context of our track. So there we go, guys. That's the new Spectral Resonator, specifically the MIDI routing functionality in it. I'll do a deeper video on it on the entire device later, but hopefully this is just getting you thinking of the power of this new device. So thanks guys, my name's Kermode. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and I'll be back soon with another video.